In this video, we'll see how to make ragda. The credit for today's recipe goes to my husband and the video is shot without a tripod. Let's get started. Soak 1 cup dried white peas in water overnight. Now, to boil it, add salt as per taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric and 1 chopped tomato. Mix and pressure cook it for 6 to 8 whistles. Now for ragda masala, dry roast 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds and grind it. Dry roast 1 tablespoon chilli flake and keep it separate. Now grind everything except the chilli flake and add the chilli flake later on. For the ragda preparation, you'll need 1 chopped tomato, few mint leaves, 1 chopped onions, coriander chopped, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 lemon, ground ragda masala mixed with chilli flake, black salt as per taste, tamarind sauce as per taste. The ragda is boiled and cooked now. Add everything as shown in the video. Finally, give a good squeeze of lemon to enhance its taste.
It's so amazing, very delicious.
Delicious ragda is ready. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe me and click the bell icon. Until next time, goodbye.